So again, this bar strategy will be like this one. You get your notebook and you will choose one of this. And after that, if you choose one, what you're going to do is you will ask your friend. So you will roam around, go to your friend, and ask them about their topic. If they choose this one, then ask about it. If you choose this one, then you get information about what you have chosen. For example, I like number 2, but Jerapon, he like number 1. So I will ask some friends about the topic that I choose first. Then, if ever that if I will go to Jerapon, but Jerapon, he chose number 1, I will still ask him about, but I will not care about that. You will only ask to those classmates or friends that they chooses the same topic. Like for example, Nayan, he chose number 2. So I will ask more about this topic to Nayan, not with Jerapon. Because me and Jerapon are not same topic. Okay, Mike? Don't say, Mike? So again, what you're going to do is just only get, like for example, what is all about this topic, and you give example of this topic. Only those things that you need to ask from your friend. So what do you understand? Like for example, you will write there, what do you understand about this topic? What are the things? What are the subtopic on this topic? And you will give example of this topic. Did you understand me? Hindi nga? Okay, you can do now. So you can choose one now and try to ask some of your friends. So you can go around and ask your friend if their chosen topic is the same with you, then you can ask more. More about the topic that you have chosen. So you will write down what she understand, what he understand about this topic, and what about this, what are the content, what is inside, what are the things that I told you about this topic, and also you will include some example. Okay, Mike? Okay. You start now. Any other 2, now you can choose any other 2, and you go out, you stand up and go to your friends. Okay? Thank you. Hopefully you will help me now, because I'm taking video, and I will send this to my professor. And I will show my student in Thailand. Oh, you choose that and you go around and go to your friends. Not only him. You go to JP. No? So hopefully you understand that. So you can stand up and roam around, go to your friends, and get more information. What he or she understand about the topic. So you will write there. It's like that you are getting notes It's like you are getting notes. Getting notes about this from your friends. Not from your friends. What they understand about this lesson. Yeah, you can. But you can again ask other friends, not only him. Again, listen, as much as possible, you can ask 5 of your friends. Try to write their name and the things that they tell you about. At least 5 of your friends you go around and ask at least 5 of your friends. Okay, Mike? Try to ask them whatever they understand about this lesson. Now you write their name. Write their name and what they said about this topic. Okay? What they understand about this topic. So that at the end, you will know what are the things. Because sometimes, you understand to yourself, but not really. Right? You only think that you understand, but not really. So you will ask your friend. You will ask your friend, and from that, you will perfectly understand what is all about to this topic that we have. What you understand about this? You can roam around, stand up and roam around and ask your friends. You stand up and roam around. You can also ask your friends beside you, around you, how they understand this topic. If not the same topic, then you go with another friend. Alright? Nikon. Huh? Notebook, because I will collect your notebook. Yeah, you need to write in your notebook. Yes, you need to write. You need to write whatever your friends will tell you about the topic you have chosen. So you write there the informations. You can number the informations that you got from your friends. And write the name of your friend who tell this information. Na? So at least 5 na. Minimum of 5 friends that you can ask about this lesson. And again, in lesson, at the end, you will have conclusion. What is conclusion? You understand conclusion? So you will conclude. At the end, chut. Conclusion. Conclusion about the topic. Yeah, and you will ask your friend, Luay, if the same.
Other friends about the topic that should be said.
The same with you. But if not the same with you, you find another one. You find another one. So you will ask what they understand. What they understand to this topic. What they understand. And you will conclude na make conclusion. At the end, you write a conclusion about the topic based on what you get from your friends. Yeah. But the main reason for number 2 is like the one that we have. This percentile getting the smaller percentage. But this one is different. Measure of central tendency is different. Because you're getting the more frequent is mode, the average of the data, and you're getting also the 50%. So it's different from number 2. Yeah, the different percentage, smaller percentage. Oh, you stand up. I want to see because maybe my professor will say, oh, why is it that your students are just only sitting down? You must be stand up and roaming around, asking your friends.
What about if you have to do what?
Only one. Only one. Oh. If you like number 2 and you like number 2 then you can